What's going on, family? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Tyron Tyson, the business golfer. Listen, today we out back in the streets on our real estate tip. Being a landlord, being a real estate investor, being a property owner. So I recently had a tenant that moved out. She gave me a week's notice and said that she was getting a new property, wasn't renewing her lease. All right, cool. So now we got cleaners in here right now who are cleaning out the property, kind of turning it over, getting it ready so I can get somebody else in here to rent it out. So I'm gonna just show you guys around what they got going on. Hello.
Hi, good morning.
How you doing?
Good.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I gotta pick up and we're gonna go and do some work at the house. So we might not do the basement today because he's still gonna be doing work. Yeah, it might not be the basement.
Okay.
So just the upstairs.
Okay.
But when we get upstairs, I'll explain what I need and stuff. But I was just coming to say hello.
Okay. No.
So she just moved yesterday. She just moved yesterday.
Okay.
At the other house, there is.
Oh, okay.
At the other house. So I'm working on this, but if like you know what I'm saying, just use what you can without the power and stuff. All right. So I'll see you in a little bit.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, that was that. I actually met this young lady who was cleaning the property while I was out, just on the street. I seen her cleaning another house, and I'm like, y'all got a card? And that's one thing you gotta do when you're in the real estate game. You gotta network, and networking means introducing yourself to people who don't know you, and you know, leveraging their skills and what they do, because you can't do everything. So that was just a quick video for today. So that was just a quick video for now. As I mentioned, I'm about to go pick up a contract. We gotta head to Home Depot. From Home Depot, we're gonna get some material, head over to my other property, start working on that basement, and then I'm gonna meet her over there so she can clean up that house. But yeah, that's it. All right, so currently at Home Depot right now, again, here with my amigo. We getting everything that we gotta get to finish the basement because I gotta rent out a van because everything ain't fitting in my little Infinity. So that's one thing I'm realizing. When you don't go through a general contractor and you use subcontractors, or not even subcontractors, but you just use labor workers, like you gotta provide everything. They just come with the labor. So I gotta get the materials, I gotta get the transportation vehicle to get the materials to the property. So more just learning experience. And this is, again, how you save money. So now let me tell you the story about how I got into this situation specifically. And when I say the situation, I mean the situation where I am the one that's coming to buy my materials. I got one guy that's working on the project, and that's it. So I'm like the overseer, making sure he get things done and paying him at the end of the day. I got in this situation because I was going around, I was getting quotes, seeing what guys would charge me in order to do the job, and the numbers were just too high and I couldn't afford it. But I can't do the work myself. And if I can't do the work myself, I need somebody to be able to do it. What did I do? I went to Home Depot where people at Home Depot do work, and I found a guy who was willing to do the job at a great price, but it was just him. And again, you get what you pay for from a convenience perspective, from a quality perspective. He does quality work so far, but it's just the inconvenience of me having to be involved in order for the work to get done.
Keys. It's got a full tank.
Okay.
Whatever you use out of there, put back in, or they'll charge you $10 a gallon.
Okay. All right, cool.
Let me print you out your paper real quick.
You said they're gonna charge me $10 a gallon?
Yeah, if you don't fill it back up, $10 a gallon.
Jeez.
It ain't us, it's the computer.
Yeah. I feel you.
Make sure you're doing it.
Oh yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Sometime next week, hopefully. If it lasts, there you go.
All right, appreciate it, man.
Sorry it took you so long.
No, it's all right. It's part of the process.
It's the one straight. The number on the tag is the one back of the van.
Okay. Now I'm just waiting on my guy so we can get the material and load it to the truck and then get to the property. I already met with the cleaning lady. She did the first unit. Now she's about to go and do the whole house that we actually about to do the basement on. So more of the process, more behind the scenes. Hope you guys enjoying this because I've been at Home Depot right now for 2 hours. 2 hours trying to get material, 2 hours trying to get the truck, having issues with verifying my information to get the truck, and this is I'm proud of myself because I wouldn't sign up for this if they told me this was a part of it. All right, so we finally at the house. We're about to move the material from the truck into the house. Now, I had 75 minutes for $20, but I think we ran over that a little bit, so we about to try to get this process done as quick as possible, then I can let him get to work. But I wanted to let you guys know that when it comes to real estate or when it comes to doing anything, it's about being resourceful. My guy right here don't speak a lick of English, right? So me and him been translating with each other through ChatGPT. So I'm about to communicate and let him know we got to make this expeditious. Expedo, I don't know how to. Hey ChatGPT, can you translate this to Spanish for me?
Yes, absolutely. I'll translate it for you. Go ahead.
Hey, so it was $20 for the first 75 minutes, and we probably only got about 20 minutes left. So let's make this process fast of moving the material inside so that I can get the truck back to Home Depot and get my car, and then I'll come back to the house.
Entonces fueron $20 por los primeros 75 minutos y probablemente solo nos quedan como 20 minutos más. Así que hagamos este proceso rápido de meter el material adentro para que yo pueda llevar la camioneta de vuelta a Home Depot, recoger mi carro y después voy a volver a la casa.
Okay?
Okay.
All right, y'all, we are full systems go right now. We got everybody that need to be in the property, working on the property. About to return this truck right now. And then I got to go to my other property to assess this water issue. Like, water is leaking into the basement when it rains, and I don't want to move another tenant in there with that issue. So let me just show y'all what we got going on. So that's that. Getting some things moving, getting some work done, and if you ask me, I feel like a real estate investor today. Really outside.